Hello people and welcome back to Krod on DashCam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and crazy road moments caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a horrific crash in which the driver in front of the camera stopped in a green light to let the driver pull out onto the road, and an accident, a hefty one, happened. Check this one out.
Stupid mother. That guy right there caused it, man. LCB 6562. It's a Chrysler, like a town car, not a town car. It's a caravan, a Chrysler caravan. That guy right there caused it. You caused this, bro. You caused it. This guy in the Chrysler caravan caused the accident. He stopped in the middle of the road to let a car pull in. To let a car pull out right into traffic. This asshole stopped in the middle of the road.
Tesla driver failed to check over his shoulder as he pulled out onto the road, and it nearly came to an accident. Crazy driver pulled out onto the road just when the camera was about to make a turn, and it almost came to a heavy crash. There are a lot of bad drivers out there, and this cyclist was unfortunate to run into one.
Trying to cut through. That's hilarious. Oh shit, alright.
The river.
Crazy driver made a right turn from a far left lane as he cut the entire traffic up and caused them all to slam on their brakes.
If you make me miss the light, I'm gonna be really pissed. And he's making a right turn! I thought I was gonna let him get away with going straight. He was just in the wrong lane, but come on.
Cameron was forced to slam on his brake just because this careless driver was not paying attention at his side mirrors as he tried to merge onto the road. Rain did not help the situation out at all, and the camera nearly hit a driver who was parked in the middle of the road. It looks like they got into an accident, but luckily the camera had some free space on his right side and he managed to avoid it.
Ah! Whoa!
Hang on.
Jesus Christ!
Hang on.
Oh my God!
What is stop?
What the?
This
stopped in the middle of the street. They're both cars, they're still back there. I think one guy hit the other one.
If this here isn't the rudest pickup truck driver, then I don't know who is. Check out this crazy move.
What the hell?
There is nothing worse than minding your own business in your own car and suddenly being rear-ended.
Video protected.
Things inside, better stuff going on than the MacBook Air. So I think overall you're going to take a little bit of a step back.
Oh.
Now the screen size is going to be nice, that's for sure. The M2 is, you know, if you look at the numbers according to Apple, 18% faster, 35% more powerful on the graphics, and the AI engine is 40% better.
This driver was angry with another vehicle who was making a turn but didn't bother using their indicators. He yelled out at them. Check this out.
Please turn, please turn, please turn. Got an indicator! Oh, you've got one then? Knew that was coming.
To take me absolute piss and come back as a PCSO, but I've got time. You don't mind them doing the job properly, it's when they keep the animals dead and abuse them. I think kill them what you have. What you have a problem with, but if you kill them properly, you don't have a problem with that. And if there's any meat left over,
Oh, hell. Why'd you wait so long? Oh, you're looking at the rubbish. Paid on the card and said, do you want to pay fucking euros or pounds, and paid in pounds and got results. And then I put this, I'll have to read it first before I read it, I won't read it. See, I put this, one day someone will want me in your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. But come about motherfuckers. So like that.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Krod on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two based from all this crazy road rage and all the mistakes you saw. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode guys, drive safe and keep your eyes on the road all the time.